Welcome back to Autoscope, the 2026 Citroen DS21 Motorhome's exterior. Redesigned classic silhouette, the body design will retain the long, streamlined shark nose silhouette of the original DS21, but it will be more aerodynamic and modern. The sleek body lines and minimal number of joints will foster a feeling of unity. Adaptive LED lighting, slim matrix LED headlights will be used to tastefully embellish the body. Panoramic roof. The focal point of the roof will be a large panoramic glass panel, possibly with smart glass that can be adjusted in opacity. Special aerodynamic wheel design. The wheels will have a unique look that may be inspired by the old-fashioned DS wheel design, but has been modernized for the modern era. Hidden door. The motorhome's entrance door can be hidden or built into the body. It opens automatically using a touch sensor or facial recognition. Interior, luxurious and eco-friendly materials, vegetable leather, reused wood or advanced composites, and high-end eco-friendly textiles will all be used extensively. Contemporary and simple cockpit. A large, incredibly simple old display in the steering area will take the place of most of the actual buttons. Smart house technology incorporates every function of an RV, including climate control, lighting, entertainment, and security. Kitchen, hidden induction hob, smart refrigerator, and fold-out prep area. Transformable bed. The main bed will most likely be a pull-out bed. Smart storage. Storage options will be deftly integrated and hidden to make the most of every available space. Fully electric drive. The RV will run totally on electricity and have a great range and fast charging to ensure maximum comfort across a range of terrains. The RV will have a cutting-edge hydropneumatic adjustable suspension system that can be modified in height and stiffness. Advanced connectivity. Integrated 5 connectivity ensures dependable Wi-Fi and streaming services everywhere. Air and water filtration technology. This state-of-the-art technology ensures that the water and air in the RV are pure.